What it do, YouTube Nation? Welcome back to the channel. You're now tuned to Meech TV Memorial Day Edition. Look what we have on display. Look at this rib, YouTube Nation. My God, my God. That is a good looking rib. Look at it, just smoking, cooking. YouTube Nation, what y'all grilling today? This what I'm grilling. See how good this rib looks? Yes, Lord, look how good this rib looks, YouTube Nation. If you're new to this channel and you're trying to find some Memorial Day videos and you happen to come by this video and you like this, hit that subscribe button. You might get to see more of this good looking rib. This what Meech TV do. I like to grill in the summertime. You know, I think I might start making grilling videos, showcasing things that I like to put on my grill. It's not a smoker, just a regular old charcoal grill. But look at here, look at here. It's getting the job D-O-N-E. And this is just the first rib, YouTube Nation. I got 4 more of these pretty ribs to go. So I just wanted to make this quick little Memorial Day video and tell all my subscribers happy Memorial Day. Arrive alive to your destination. Eat, drink, and be merry. Make sure y'all get y'all ass up in the morning and take y'all ass to work. One more look at this pretty rib before I sign off. I might come back with Pretty Rib Part 2. Yeah, I'm going to come back with Pretty Rib Part 2. This is Pretty Rib Part 1. Memorial Day special on a charcoal grill. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in to Meech TV. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.